Today gonna be doing a special porridge today. I've been asked a lot of questions. Where do I get my energy from? Where do I get so much energy from at work? So I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I do to get some energy. This one is a special porridge that you can drink it in the morning and it will take you through the whole day. You don't even need to eat anything, just drink water after. All day, just drink water. So this one is good for, you know, someone who's looking to gain some weight. This one is a good weight gainer as well. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. Alright. Okay, so this is our ingredients. We have our spring water. We have some pumpkin seed. Got some cashew nut. We got some coconut sugar. We got some maca powder. Walnut. We got some medjool dates. Some oats. We got almond nut, and you know my special mix in there, my sea moss mix. We got some ginger. We got some Brazilian nut. We got some cinnamon. I'm telling you, this is packed, man. This is some chia seed. We got pecan nut. So this is packed with loads of energy food. So this is the one, you know, this takes you through the day. Okay, here I just had the oats. I'll get the oats to boil first. So this is about maybe 2 cups. It's up to you how much you want to put in. This depends on how thick you want it. This I have about 2 cups of oats. Always have some boiling water to hand because you're gonna need to top it up as you go along, depending on how thick you want it. Then you keep topping up the water. You're gonna need a lot more water here, but just slowly top it up and you go to how thick you want it. So I'm just gonna blend everything, all the nuts, blend them up. You're gonna have to do it little by little. So I've got some of the nuts in here. I'm just gonna blend them up. Okay, so I've added everything. Remember, blend all your nuts, everything, the ginger, everything. So now it's really thick, so trying to muscle those in now. Depends on how thick you want it. It's up to you. Put some more water in it and get it to how you like it. So just mix everything in. It's so brown. That's the coconut sugar. Give it that color. Mix it up. Alright, that's what it is. This is a nice consistency. I like it this way. I don't like it too runny. So it is, and it's finished. You know, all this time, that's it. Slow cook. It's not no long thing, you just easily do it. About 20 minutes and you're done, man. Don't need to stay long. Let me have some. Bowl of that. That's all you have for the day, man. And drink water all day.